Alrighty, I finally did it. I got down all my best tips and tricks for affiliate marketing for you guys. In case you don't know me, my name is Debbie Gartner. I'm known as the Flooring Girl, and I do love affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for many years, and I will tell you honestly, at the beginning, it was pretty slow and that was pretty frustrating. But over the years, I have learned so much from so many people and from doing this myself and seeing what actually works. So I put together this compendium of over 60 of my best tips. This is meant to be intermediate / advanced affiliate marketing. It is not a beginner course, so hopefully you already know the basics on affiliate marketing because I'm not going to rehash that. I'm going to tell you more advanced tips and strategies that actually work for me, and even some that I don't do, but I know they work. And how do I know they work? Because I have people that are affiliates for me that are generating income for my products doing some of these methods. So I hope you find this helpful. I was kind of scared to share all this with you guys because these really are my insider tips and trade secrets. But I hope and think that you guys will find it useful. And I will add some more things over time, and you will have access to that once I add in those additional tips. But I keep learning and growing, and that is the key. Keep learning and growing and trying and experimenting. That's how I've gotten to where I am today, and you will as well. Thanks, you guys, and I hope to see you on the other side.